morning, Scotsman. I'm your host, Isabel.
And I'm your other host, Kim. Do you have what it takes to do the lip sync battle? Then grab your friends, club, team, or crew and show us what you've got. Sign-ups will be held during both the 4th and 5th lunch on October 18th through the 20th in front of the wall. This year's theme is 70s and 80s music.
If you're planning on taking an AP exam this year, know it is the time to get your registration fees into the finance office. The deadline is November 1st. After that time, there will be a late fee of $40 assessed for each exam. Talk to your AP teacher or counselor if you have any questions. This is a great way to get some college credit before you get to college.
Scots, do you still have that uniform under your bed? Maybe a textbook's in the trunk of your car? Be sure to get these items turned in and clear for debt. Formal season's coming, and you must be debt-free to buy your tickets.
Now it's time for a quick break.
Welcome back, Scots.
It's now time for some senior information, so listen up.
Hey Scots, my name is Ian if you don't know, but I have some news, so seniors, listen up. Seniors, are you interested in attending California State University, Fresno? We will be hosting a Zoom presentation on Monday, October 18th in the library. Please stop by and see Mrs. Verde in the Career Center located in the library to sign up. Are you interested in engineering? What about being in the military? AVID's Community Voices is pleased to present Highland High School's alumnus Mike Jungo, project manager for Chevron. He will be on campus to speak with students about these topics on Tuesday, October 18th during the 6th period. Go to the College and Career Center in the library to sign up. Inside the library in the Career Center is where you'll need to sign up for these events. Now, let's go back to the studio.
Thanks, Ian.
Now, here's Christian with some sports news.
Hey Scots, I'm Christian. This week will be the final home game of the football season. It is also senior night, so make sure you don't miss out. This will also be our Pink Out game to raise awareness for breast cancer, so make sure you show your support by wearing pink. You can purchase your tickets online or get it for free with the ASB sticker. The varsity football game will be at 7:30 p.m. at Scotland Yard.
Thank you, Christian.
Here's Felicity with the weather report for next week.
Hello, Scots. My name is Felicity, and I'm here to talk about the weather.
Hey, Scots. It's a 7-day forecast at Highland High School. Monday, 78, Tuesday, 76, Wednesday, 79, Thursday, 81, Friday, 78, Saturday, 78, and Sunday, 79. Just so you know, guys, the weather might change.
Kim, we have some breaking news.
Hi, I'm Lee, and today I have some breaking news for you. Do you need a poster for someone's birthday? Need a poster to ask someone to dance? Want a poster for your favorite teacher? ASB can help. ASB offers poster making services for a small fee. Stop at the Activities and Athletics office to pick up an order form. Now, you may be wondering why Carlos was acting a little differently last show.
We're gonna get some announcements, and yeah.
Well, he's been working on a big project for next month.
Remember, everyone, there's a rally going on next Friday. Thank you for watching.
Stay rad and stay Flad.
Hello, my name is Oriana Amaya. I'm going to tell you a scary story. So it was on New Year's Eve, and I was going to bed, because it was already 12 in the morning. I was like, okay, I'm going to go to bed. But then I started to feel weird. Like, I couldn't move, and I was like, but my eyes were like open, and I was just like looking around, and I could only see like the corner of my room. And then I couldn't move, and I saw like a black figure was at my door, and it was like my door was open and the light was off, and I just saw it coming at me, and I didn't know what to do. I couldn't move. I was starting to freak out. I stood there.